Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to connect the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 to an Android phone. So first of all, press and hold the side button until the logo appears. Release the button and wait for it to boot it up. Now, make sure you turn on Internet and Bluetooth on your smartphone. Open up Google Play, search for Galaxy Wearable and install it. As it is installed, tap Continue, More, Start. Now allow the access to your device location. Now you will receive notifications and use all the functionalities of your watch. As you agree to everything, wait until your watch appears. Now click on it, check the code. If it matches, press confirm. Now your band is connected. When the app prompts you to install the Galaxy Fit plugin, tap Install. After the installation is complete, tap back to return to the Galaxy Wearable app. Go to Settings and allow location access. Return to the app and continue with the setup. Allow everything. Once all the settings are configured, your bracelet will appear on the screen. Tap Skip Everything and you will be ready to use. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.